Kelo TV. If you're new, consider subscribing. Kelo TV is a place here on YouTube where we guide how to create a website, how to create a game, and also how to create an app. So not only guiding how to create, but also how to make money, how to monetize the app or the website. Okay, in this video, we're going to show you how to create a Ludo game, which is a popular game everybody knows. So here I take my time. I have the code, especially for my subscribers. I'll give you this code and you modify and you can publish it in any app store, monetize the app, and you will earn from the app. Okay, so this is the example of all the Ludo games you can see. So don't feel like there's so many more Ludo game out there. You can still go ahead as well, create with time. You have your users by promoting your link. You also have millions of users or downloaders. Okay, so here this is the example of the app which I created. When you first enter, you're going to see an interface like this where you can select 2 players, 3 players, 4 players. So anyone you pick is good to go. If only you want to play with the machine, you can pick two. The other one will be playing automatically. But if it's 3 people, 4 people, then you can go with 4, 3. So let me play so that you have a look how it is, and I monetize with AdMob. That you can see this is the URL or the banner art. So here you can see I'm playing the game. Here I move. Yes, I move. You can see here is out. Yes. So that is how it works. And here you can see this is the banner art. So I'm going to give this code for free, especially to my subscribers who join my WhatsApp group. I'll drop the code on the WhatsApp group. So this is how it works. Okay, so here if you see I hosted the code on blogger blog spots, that is on Blogger. So here you can see this is where you click and you see the gameplay. Yes, I'm out. I click. Okay, then I play again. Yes, I move. So this is how it works. So simple, so nice game. You can even modify. If I give you the code, take your time. Go to any AI that can write code for you. You put this code and ask to modify with your own style. Okay, so here this is the code I hosted here. I go to team and here I copy the code and I give to my subscribers for free. So you can go to any supported app store like by Admob, maybe Amazon App Store or any other app stores. You can learn how to do that, to publish on other app stores. Not all the times I can always go to App Store to show how it works. I have videos about that, so that is why when you subscribe and you start following, then you will not miss anything. Everything's going to be fine. So here I copy the code and I head back to my WhatsApp group here, and here I paste the code here. This code I want to give it for free to my users. So this code is here for anybody who is following. So the code is here. I have given it here. So let me also show you how to convert it to APK file while you upload into any app store. Okay, here I go. Don't forget, if you want to convert any website, any image file to any of the app store, because if you check here, you're going to see if I click on any one of these, it has images where you need to upload an image based on the social size and a social format. So I have a website for you where you can easily do that by converting all. Here you can see This is the screenshot of the app. You can see it here. So here you can do anything on this website. If you want to convert any PNG to JPG, or you want to resize the image size, you can also do that here. Okay, so here we go to App Creator 24, where you can click on, you need to have an account before you get this access. So once you get this access, you will see the button create. Here you go create on create app. So it's waiting. So you put the name. So after putting the name, you'll be coming here. So from here you go to section. From here you create a new section. A page will open like this. You go to example, you click on create section. It open like this. You go to HTML. Here you go to enter direct HTML code, advanced. You click on next. You remove everything here. Here you remove everything here, and you paste our code which we copied, and here you name it Ludo, or whatsoever you want to name it. Okay, here I put real, I can put real Ludo game, and here I save changes. Now your game is built. We have our APK file here by clicking download button here, but before then we need to monetize our app. Okay, so here first of all you go to general info, you go to name and icon. Here you go down, then you head to add mob, where you create your, you click on add new app. You click on add new app, it will open, and you need to copy your app ID from the settings. Okay, so here you can see add new app. So that is where you'll be able to create all the banner. All my videos I show how to do that. So here you copy the app ID, you put it here, and you save it. After you save it, you go to add, and here you're going to click, create all the banner types, and here you can see this is banner, native, rewarded, and the rest. So here you copy the banner and you head to banner. Banner is here. You put the heart unit ID for the banner. Here you do the same thing. You create all the art banner type. Okay, after finish you click save. After done with all this, the next step is to click download app. So here your app will be created for you, and here you download the app APK file. Okay, so if you're also going to upload on a Google Play Store, then this is where you go. You're going to download the AAP file. Okay, not APK. So that is how it works. So after done from here, you need to move to App Store. If yours is Amazon, Google Play Store, so here you're good to go. You're going to upload. If you need video for this, I will also drop it down below this video, how to upload it on Amazon App Store. I think that is the one I always publish my app games. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, please drop it down. I'll be here to help you, to guide you. Thank you, and bye for now.